Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure the modem and router show internet and that the TV is set to the intended network. Once done, open the TV's network settings and note whether it's connected by Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If Wi-Fi, locate the correct SSID and password. If Ethernet, ensure the cable is seated. You're collecting facts now, so every later step targets the real cause. Do not skip verifying LEDs, IP mode, and connection type. Now you perform a controlled reset. Power off the TV, then the router and modem. Wait 60 seconds before powering modem, router, then TV. Once booted, forget the Wi-Fi network on the TV and rejoin using the correct SSID and password, selecting WPA2 encryption when available. Make sure the TV is set to obtain an IP via DHCP. Only set a static IP if you know the router's free address range. This clears cached errors and renews the lease. Finish by running the TV's network test. Confirm it reports an IP, gateway, and DNS. If the test fails, update the TV firmware. Updates resolve many connectivity bugs. Once updated, try setting alternate DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolver issues. If problems persist, isolate the fault. Connect a laptop or phone to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet port to see if internet works. Key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.